It's important to know that by the beginning of the 20th century, the town of Dubai was just a port for foreign tradesmen, chiefly those from Iran, many of whom settled in the town. Oil was eventually discovered in territorial waters of Dubai in 1966, and in next 10 years the city's population grew by over 300%. A small fishing town grew up to modern metropolis, and now the population of Dubai is up to 4 million people. It's the fastest growing city ever. The very first thoughts that appears when you see the city makes you compare it with Babylon. And I'm currently telling that Dubai is Babylon of our days. Let's see why. Dubai is the most famous for the tallest building in the world, Burj Khalifa, 828 meters high, or is almost 200 meters higher than number 2 in the world tallest building list. It makes me subconsciously associating Burj Khalifa with the Babylon Tower. Every half an hour you can see the light show on the Burj Khalifa and dancing fountain show nearby. And every next performance differs from the previous one. Dubai is an owner of a heap of world's biggest and the most things, such as the biggest mall in the world, the tallest hotel, the tallest building, the fastest police car in service, it's a Bugatti Veyron for a second, the highest tennis court, the biggest indoor ski resort, the biggest artificial island, and many others. So for sure Dubai has something to surprise you. One of the visiting cards of Dubai is a Burj Al Arab hotel. It's one of the highest hotels in the world, and it has 7 stars. Most probably it's because of amount of gold inside. The Palm Jumeirah, Palm Jabal Ali, and Archipelago of the world. Very famous and very impressive, and actually the largest artificial islands in the world. All of them are also located in Dubai. As for me, the best place to stay in the city is Dubai Marina district. Dubai Marina is an artificial channel built along a 3-kilometer stretch of Persian Gulf shoreline. It's a very nice part of the city. Chilling atmosphere, quietness, nice beach, a lot of hotels, all of these you may find here. It's a very nice place for night walks near the bay. To any part of the city you can get via automatic metro, which goes without driver. Subway net in Dubai is very simple. It's just one long straight line with small branch on one side and small tram branch from another side. By the way, train cabs for women and cabs for men are separated, so don't cross the border, it's prohibited. Also, here is a lot of taxis, so you can just pick up one and go wherever you want. Also, I recommend you to go to desert for a safari tour, if you have a time. For nearly $50, they'll pick you up from a hotel, drive you through the desert, and also a supper at sunset with some show program are included. If you really want to feel the difference, just visit the old district of Dubai. It's called Al Fahidi Historical Neighborhood. The traditional style of life that was prevalent in Dubai from the mid-19th century till the 1970s is reflected at Al Fahidi Historical Neighborhood, where buildings with high air towers, built with traditional building materials such as stone, gypsum, teak, sandalwood, fronds, and palm wood, are aligned side by side, separated by alleys, pathways, and public squares, which give the district a natural and beautiful diversity. Dubai is constantly growing. I have never seen so many constructions in one city. And it grows so fast that I have a feeling the next time when I'll visit the city, I might not recognize it. At the moment of publishing this video, it's a quarantine time, and world is closed. but I'm pretty sure that we'll defeat this virus soon and be able to travel again. I wish you the best emotions and a lot of trips and journeys. Be healthy, be wealthy, and enjoy being the citizen of the planet Earth.